Okay, Jose, this is whiteboard problems number 2. They wanted some more, just of a little bit of everything. So here is this. Do you know what 3x minus 3 looks like?
3x minus 3.
Oh, I want to go from 0 to 4. Can I change that?
Yeah.
That'll make it life a lot easier. Okay. What does 3x minus 3 look like? How do you graph it?
Well,
3 up 1 over put down.
It's down 3 to begin with, and then up 3 over 1, up 3 over 1, up 3 over 1, etc. Blah, 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 right there, like this. Okay? And I want to go from 0. No. Do I want to go from 0 to 4? I want to go from 1 to 5. Can I change my mind? I want to go from 1 to 5. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Otherwise, it'll be weird. Okay? All right, so 1 is here. 5 is over here. Like there-ish, whatever. Okay? And we got to do rectangles. We got to do left and right. Okay? And 4 of them. Do I need to keep going?
I also just need to. Maybe I just need that just might be better.
Oh, no. Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
maybe
4.
better.
4.
How do we know how big each one is?
They're all equal size. You're going from 1 to 5 and you're doing 4 of them.
Okay. That was a really dumb question.
There's going to be one little weird thing on the lefts. Did you find out the weird thing on the lefts?
Where you been putting them?
Yeah, kind
On that
of. No.
cart. I'll make sure and hide the others.
Oh. It weighs like 5 pounds.
I need those sticky notes. They're in the top drawer of my desk. I'm gonna bring one of them here.
Okay. Would you like one of them or all of them?
I did this wrong. I forgot a 4.
One or all?
Bring me the one that's KA
Okay.
and AM.
Yeah.
It's 18, right?
Did you get an answer?
No. You know what's sad when I understand calc more than I understand physics?
Physics is over my head right now. I mean, completely 30. Over my head.
Okay. Okay. One comma something. Comma something. Comma something.
Wait, what in the world are you doing?
What?
You messed this up.
I did?
You've been cutting the wrong ones.
No, I haven't.
You've been cutting.
Do I plug it into the derivative?
Are we ready?
Yeah, we're just making charts.
Yeah, we're.
So, like, you have your intervals on your, like, x-axis. and
So you're
No, how do I
so
get the y? Do I just plug it into
Plug it
that
in
one?
there.
I
Yep.
don't need to do that.
Yep.
That's what I'm saying. Do
Yep.
I need to
Yep.
do the derivative for that?
So the deal is, here's my little intervals, right? If I do the left side one, my first rectangle has nothing. My second rectangle goes to here on the left side. Third rectangle goes to
did the
there.
right.
Fourth rectangle. You have to do the right afterward, so it doesn't matter, I guess, which one you do first. So for the left sides, each one has a base of 1. So I'm going to do 1, and then I'm going to do height plus height plus height plus height, right? Okay, first height has a height of 0. Second height, what number do you plug in to get like this coordinate right here? 2? This is 2 comma something. If I plug 2 in, I get 3. 2 comma 3, so he is 3 tall. Then I plug in 3 comma, and if I plug 3 in, I get 3 comma 6. And then I get 4 comma 9.
9.
Okay, so my second triangle is 3, and my third triangle is rectangle. Blah. 6, 9. 3, 6, 9. Add them together.
Call it anything we want.
18. That's what you got for for the lefties. Okay, the righties. The righties, this tower is going to go all the way up here to the top. This tower is going to go over here. This tower is going to go over here. This tower is going to go over here. Right?
Mhm.
So 1 times this plus this plus this plus this. These guys now are shifted over. So this is 3, 6, 9. And now I have an extra one over here, but I don't have the 0 one. Right? How tall is the fourth tower? 12?
Yeah.
3, 6, 9, 12 is 30. That's not a very nice window. Somewhere between 18 and 30 is the exact answer. Blah, blah, blah.
No, but that problem was easy. So.
Yeah. So, anywho. Now, how could I find the exact? Antiderivative, right? Okay, I'm going to do that real quick. We're going from 1 to 5 of 3x minus 3. I don't know if I make you do the exact one on this one. We'll have to do an exact one like later, but you want to try to do the exact?
Sure. Yeah.
From 1 to 5, let's see what the final, actual, real answer is.
You have to, no. Let's see.
I don't like cutting these things.
There you go. 17 over 2 minus 15 minus 3 halves minus 3.
Over.
What?
That's what I got. I'm just subtracting. I'm just subtracting.
Is it plus 1?
That's disgusting.
I don't have my calculator.
I don't want to plug stuff in, actually.
20. No,
What do we
that's
get
not
for,
20,
okay.
that's
Yeah,
37.
I did the right antiderivative. That's good.
Minus 15 is 22.5. Plus. Yeah, I can't do that math in my head.
I'm just going to do this.
So the top one minus the bottom one, the bottom one.
So
Top one minus the bottom one.
22.5 plus 1.5 is 24. That's
That's pretty in the middle.
is that the half? Is that the average? Is that actually?
Is it actually is?
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's half of 48. It actually
Is it
in the
24?
middle.
Is it 24?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, and that is half. Yeah, because it's a linear function, it would end up being exactly half. Yep, yep. And there's no curve. Yep. That makes sense.
You know, it actually is a triangle.
Yeah, you
It
should
really is a
technically just find the triangle. Yeah. Yeah. So there's that. Okay, can we do that? Can we handle that?
What do you want?
Okay, what if I do something like this and I say find the evaluate, oh gosh, that's not what I want. That's not what I want. Hold on. 1
X plus X.
plus x cubed dx. Let's say I say go.
Oh my gosh.
What the heck do you even do with that thing?
Plus x to the 4th.
Yeah, that's what I would do first. Don't need substitution. I would just distribute it through. Unless this was like to the 4th power, I would not use substitution at all. Okay?
What are we going for? Or are we just-
Just regular antiderivative. Indefinite.
Hold on.
Let me see.
I didn't do it yet.
Angela, let me see.
I'm still writing stuff down. Okay, just normal. Okay.
He's really making sure that we know we can't spend anything after 8 p.m. I'm just gonna put it on the Google Classroom.
Well, I need 2 more to do.
You just have to
I don't know which ones will be easiest to do.
the bucket list, I don't know.
Yes, that one was easy. I did that.
Have you done your prized possessions? You should do that one. It's really easy. You can choose like 20 things to write about. Favorite.
Okay, did you get an answer?
That one was easy.
Are we good?
Might do those too.
I'll write it down for Josie. 1/2 x squared plus 1/5 x to the 5th plus c. Don't forget plus c on indefinites. Yeah? Don't forget plus c on your indefinites.
Okay.
Okay, should we do a hard one?
No. Yes. Yes.
Okay, let's just full send, right? Does anybody say that anymore?
Sure. You can say it.
Oh, goodness, call me.
Yikes.
I could go back.
Indefinites. You need your cheat sheet.
I wanna grab it out.
Can you just tell us?
I just like to guess.
No, cause she doesn't know either.
U equals
I do.
sine of x.
You don't have to do use and do use.
Oh,
On this
well,
one.
3 sine of x would be 3 cosine of x. Negative.
Yeah, the 3 just comes back. Okay, 3. And then
Negative
the-
cosine of x.
I don't think I've gotten this.
And then that would be tangent,
Which side do I look at?
right?
Go right.
Okay.
Negative 3
Secant.
cosine.
Is that
hold
C?
on.
Oh, it's just secant. No, I need sine. I need sine.
I'm listening to you.
Negative cosine.
Plus C.
Minus
I'm trying not to listen
Two.
so that I
Two.
have to find it myself.
Don't forget your 2.
Did I get it right? I
Did I
guess.
put the negative in
Did you put the 2 in front of the tangent? Yep. Yep.
Secant squared
I think, yeah.
is tangent, so minus 2
Definitely wasn't.
sine x. Why did I write secant twice? Do I put the negative in front of the 3?
Huh?
The negative in front of the 3?
That's what I did.
Yeah. There shouldn't be an x with
Why?
3's and the
Why? Why can't there be x's?
because there's no x's.
But it's a number.
So that's what,
But it's not independent.
What you talking about?
why they cut?
Because there's an x.
It's not
There
just
shouldn't be an x right here.
But why?
Oh.
because it's not an independent number.
Unless that x is supposed to mean times.
No.
Kumi, you're putting the bottom of the back.
That's only if like you had a 3 by itself. So basically to do this, I would do 3 sine of x like that. And the 3 would stay out front.
That would make so much more sense.
Yep. So I think most people general consensus 3. Derivative of sine of x is negative cosine x. So like that. Derivative of the antiderivative of secant squared is tangent. So minus 2. Tangent x, don't forget, plus c because it's an indefinite integral. How is that?
I got it.
Yeah. Shall we do it? Let's do one more of these guys. Whoop. 1 plus x squared. Whoa. 2 minus x dx.
You want us to distribute that?
I would. We haven't gotten to the substitution yet.
Chloe, you're putting the bottom of the bats. I don't like them. I don't get how you do them.
Hmm?
How you do the bottom of the bats?
Oh. Okay.
Okay. Distribute. Like factor it out.
Yes. Like foil it, and then
That's
do the
what I meant.
antiderivative.
That's what I meant is foil. Minus x plus squared
Okay.
minus x cubed. Okay.
Ugh. Can you put anything together?
Let me see.
Let's see. Did you put anything in order? No.
I did it backwards.
It's fine.
I put
Let me
mine
see.
in order.
Let me see.
Hold on.
Hold on. After I did the derivative.
Yes.
I didn't put it in order.
Yep.
1/4.
I just did it the way it distributed.
Grace, do you know what I'm looking for?
Hey, I even have a plus C.
They're all asking for the same thing.
Okay, so antiderivative, I'm gonna work this way back. So I'm gonna flip it around. Negative 1/4 x to the 4th plus 2/3 x cubed.
You know what's
minus
funny
1/2
is that we were
x
talking about our
squared.
math placement test, and we actually got an email about our math placement test yesterday.
We can't use calculators. If you read it, we can't use calculators.
Hard pass.
But you can also just submit your ACT math score and call it a day.
But I don't know if my ACT math score is high enough.
I'm just gonna
I don't know
submit
which one
mine.
I'd be higher in.
You can do both.
And then whichever's higher.
And then we'll take whatever's better. I just had to ask Cooper what my ACT was for. I think it's
Okay, did you get through that? Was that okay? Okay.
Because technically, this isn't college credit calculus, so it doesn't.
yeah. So we
No.
can transfer anyways.
But if you take your placement test, you might test into calc.
That's
Two.
that's what the placement test is for, to see if we need
Yeah.
to take pre-calc
Yeah,
or calc.
I'm gonna
that
guess
to
that
the
on that, I'm
23rd?
gonna guess on that, they'll probably have some derivatives and antiderivatives.
Is that to the 23rd?
That is to the 23rd power.
Are we doing
It's
substitution
gonna be
now?
easy.
Yes.
This
You
comes
have,
out
you
real
have
nice
to
as
when there's
substitution.
like exponents outside of the parentheses, don't you?
The only other alternative would be to FOIL this out 23 times and then distribute a 2x through it, and
but
I'm not
like
gonna do that.
only realistic.
Right, right. So if you have a function inside of an exponent, and it's not like just x squared, where you could FOIL it out real nice, that's what I would do.
I forgot to plug it in. Am I gonna get docked for that if I forget to plug it in?
Probably.
Okay.
Wait a
Good to
second.
know. I always forget to put you back in.
All right, for Jose. You don't have to divide over by anything, right?
See the 50-minute video and be like, why is this so long?
Why did I put 2x to the third?
That's what I put.
You're being silly, I guess. I don't know.
Isn't it? Don't you bring in the in front and then you do x plus 1 in the exponent?
X minus 1. For derivative.
For derivative. This is derivative. It's weird because substitution is derivative over here and antiderivative over
I was
here.
really confused on how I
It's
was
a
gonna
lot.
get to the. Okay.
Yeah, it's a lot. Yeah,
Okay.
kind of crazy. Okay, are we ready for a harder-ish one?
Plus C again. Dang
Yeah.
Plus C.
Forget that.
Plus C.
Put on top of our test, don't forget your.
I did. I literally have that at the top of your test. Don't forget your plus C's.
I'm still gonna forget it.
Yeah, I bet
Don't.
I will too.
Ugh. Barf.
There you go.
Oh, these ones are easy, they give us actual sheets.
Do we need you again?
I'm struggling
Yeah.
today.
Okay.
Would my u be 4x plus 1?
Wait.
What? No, we don't.
Just forget it.
We need you. That's not gonna get us anywhere.
Mhm.
We have
yeah.
to
Oh yeah.
multiply by
Never mind.
and then
What does
Wait.
Mr. Muth have to say?
how does that work?
Tangent U.
How do you have 4 and secant squared?
No.
The same number.
1/4.
How do you?
What you talking about?
I'm confused.
What's U?
Hold on, tell me.
Yeah, what is u? Is it 4x plus 1?
D is 4.
Yeah.
Do you use for?
So how do you?
Yeah.
Wait a minute.
Okay.
Heck yeah.
Let me put it out in front real quick.
Make sure you toss over the stuff you don't need.
Like,
Make sure you toss over the stuff you don't need.
Wait. No, I'm just gonna have to watch.
How do I get secant back?
What you talking about? So U is.
Secant's still in there.
Okay. I just need to do secant squared of u.
Do you want me to say it out loud or do you want me
Okay,
to?
can I try it really
Okay.
quick?
Let me try it.
Let's see.
Okay, I don't think I did that right.
Okay.
Not that.
1/4. So the 1/4 just dropped down.
To the side.
Yeah, that's what I meant. I did that, but I didn't say it. Okay, wait, I need to find where's secant squared at.
Do you follow that?
Yes.
Yay!
I
do the other
actually
one.
did it. Without looking.
This one's similar, but it's not secant. It's square roots and stuff.
I just sometimes get like stuck.
Usually I see a what are those things called?
Trig function?
Yeah, and then I just don't do it.
I get
'Kay.
scared.
What?
It just takes me a little
There
extra
you
time to
go.
think about things.
There you go.
I even remember my question.
Okay, is that x to the third times the square root?
X to the third times the square root.
Cubic root.
Oh, yes, yes. X to the third and the square root of. Yep. My handwriting is terrible, so I'll make that 3 go over here a little ways. 3. There you go.
Okay. Okay.
How's that look?
Oh gosh, I don't have my answer yet. Did you put your 1/4 out to the side?
Yeah, and then I multiplied it by the 2/3 that I got.
Gotcha, yes.
You know I got
2/3,
it.
but you left yours as you to the 1/2. You should be to the 3/2 now.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, I just have
So
to add
then
plus
it's
one.
with the- I'm just gonna leave it as 6.
Shouldn't that make him 1/3? No, you're right. 1/6. And then the
What?
yeah, 1/6. Blah blah blah.
Oh yeah, I need to multiply. I don't think I did this right. Oh yeah, I did. Because it's 2, 12, 6. Oh, I just did 16.
Okay.
12, 6, 1, 6. This plus. Wait, I can combine those, right?
Where'd you get the x cubed from?
So that,
No, your x cubed doesn't need to be there.
Why is
Yeah,
there an
your
X out
cube should
front?
be gone.
why?
Because you have the
Oh, that's-
4x
so it's just-
cubed dx right
So
here.
just that.
That cancels out.
Yes,
What they did.
yes, should be. Yep. All right, I'm gonna do it so Josie can see. You. Whoop.
Reese, what did you get?
I erased it already.
Okay.
1/6.
5 plus X.
1/6,
What?
you, 3/2
3/2.
C.
Well, that's because that's not a 2.
Uh-oh.
Would be 1
I
over
got that.
3/2, which would be 2/3.
Yeah. I forgot to add the 1 on this part. Okay.
Yeah, I almost didn't combine those.
I'm sure she's gonna be like, did Cody mute herself or something?
What?
You're being so quiet. You're not like talking to her.
Well, I don't know if everybody's like done and was
Oh,
ready
oh.
for it or whatever, so I'm just, yeah, it's fine. I'm doing all this out of order. Yeah, good?
There we go.
Okay, I'm so proud of you guys that you guys can do square roots and stuff. That's kind of tough. It's not
Oh
fun.
my gosh. Got my plus C.
Okay, let's go to
Imagine doing all that work and forgetting a plus C.
la 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 definite integrals. Let's do some
No.
definite integrals. I'll just do a couple. Okay, what if I do like some of these? I don't know if they'll be on the test. I might, just for some free points. If I say like from -1 to 2 of f of x equals 5, and from -1 to 2 of g of x equals -1. Find. Can you guys handle that?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Not. No. Wait, hold on.
I
Oh
only
yeah, they're
remember
the
doing
same
this-
numbers. Yeah, I can do that. When if they're the same numbers, I can do it.
I remember just doing this, but being really confused on how I did it.
On that big
1
packet.
to 1.
Yeah.
Oh.
Do those guys.
Oh wait, yeah, that's the one that I have trouble with. Okay, so this plus this equals. Okay.
Oh. I was getting tripped up on the last one.
Nope. Eli's confused. What are you confused on, Eli?
All of it. I can
The last
guarantee it.
The last two?
F of x, but the numbers are still flipped.
Here you're doing f of x, but you're going from 2 to -1 instead of -1 to 2.
You're reading it backwards.
So like it's like you're doing the area backwards. It's like it's underneath of the curve now instead of above the curve.
Did you say my name?
-5.
That's what I thought.
What's this one?
Yeah.
One.
You're going from 1 to 1.
Oh,
Are you doing any of them, Reese?
You're taking a slice right here from 1 to 1.
0.
0. And this one was 4.
So quite honestly,
Right?
I'm gonna need to take
Yeah.
some
Okay,
time
can we handle
to
those?
do it
I got
tonight.
4.
Okay. Here's what I want you to do. Let's say that I have this thing going on. This is the graph of sine, right? And here is 3 pi. And
The second one? So -5.
I want, this is y equals sine of x. I want you to write this in integral form and don't solve it.
What the frick is
Not
frick?
paying attention.
Oh!
Just write the integral that represents that area that I have shaded.
Can we go back up to the other ones? I was not with it.
Okay,
When did we do
How did we
this?
get -5?
we're doing it now.
Because the
For easy
the
points.
things are flipped.
Because it's going from
Oh,
2
I
to
was
negative.
adding. I know I needed to turn it negative, but then I just turned my first answer negative. I didn't do
There.
that.
So write the integral that represents that.
Is that right?
Don't forget your dx on the end of it.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, let me do this. Integral that represents that.
Integral that represents that area. Like, what does this thing mean? We did this kind of with like the first problem. You know, after, like when we did the actual integral, okay? You only go by the x coordinates. So yes, it goes up to 1 and down to -1, but I don't care about the y coordinates. I'm going from 0 to 3 pi. Okay, leftmost point, rightmost point, sine of x, and then dx, right?
That was really easy. I didn't.
Yeah. Okay, solve it.
Oh, you just made me waste it.
Sorry.
I don't know what.
Is that negative
by
cosine?
B.
Negative cosine.
Okay.
Negative. Negative
Sine.
1.
Sine, negative cosine. Yeah.
What,
No,
what
wait.
Oh gosh, I gotta think.
What is 3 pi cosine?
Nope, I did that wrong.
It would be +1.
Do I need mine?
Cosine of 3 pi, so it would be negative, right? Or would it be? Is it
But
2 pi?
but the antiderivative of sine is negative cosine,
Oh, I
right? So it'd
Yeah,
be 2 negatives.
Negative cosine.
Oh,
I
I
always
did
mess
that
that up
from
too.
memory and then I did it wrong, so that's fine.
That's what I normally do. So.
So is it
1.
1?
So negative cosine of 3 pi minus negative cosine of 0. Okay, I'm looking at 3 pi is over here, where pi is, right?
0, 1.
And this is -1 comma 0, right?
Is it that?
Cosine is the x coordinate.
Cosine is the x coordinate, yep. So this is -1, right? Negative,
Cosine's left
-1
and 3
minus, this is 1 comma 0.
Be what?
Cool.
Maybe that's wrong.
Yeah,
0, right?
so minus,
So yeah, because it's 3 pi would be
Yeah, because it would be around the circle.
because it'd be over here, right?
Ah, the good old days. Do you remember this?
Maybe this is
To
2
I
pi.
three?
hear that
This is 2 pi.
unofficially-
what's
Or with three
cosine
We're
of
just
0?
teaching this class next year.
What?
Is that
Oh,
true?
oh, -1, yeah, so it'd be 2.
Wait, how do you get
What?
the cosine of 3 pi?
What?
How do you get cosine of 3 pi?
Cosine, 3 pi is the same thing as pi.
No, it's 1.
Stop.
No,
That's a lot of minuses.
And pi's over here.
Yes, pi's over
And
there.
then cosine's on
So
the left.
cosine would be -1, so it'd be
Negative one
negative,
plus-
-1. Right?
But this would
Because
be
you got
yeah.
negative, cosine of 3
So
pi
not
is
plus
-1.
1. Yeah, negative
So
1
it'd be
plus
1.
is equals. Wait.
Yep, and then
what?
cosine of 0 is 1, but then this is
How
negative,
do you find
negative.
the area of a circle?
Oh, this is okay. So negative. This also needs to be negative. So it's
Is that a circle?
Next week.
It
that a
is.
semicircle?
It is.
Okay. So
Yep.
then it'd be
I have an English one.
pi r squared.
Do you know how to do this?
So
Oh, then
basically,
pi-
these two are canceling each other out, and this has an area of
Literally
2.
my favorite lesson.
So then
Right?
the radius is 1. 1 squared is 1.
It's-
No, the radius is not 1.
Where?
the same.
Right? Like this is pi,
It's like-
this is
okay,
2 pi, this is 3 pi. The radius is pi over 2.
they're like 1 to 3
So pi
Over 2.
times pi over 2 squared.
is Mrs. Egbers even qualified to teach us? Hi.
And then we need half of it.
I kind of regret it right now, though.
What?
It's easy, you're finding the area of them.
Pi r squared.
That's like what calc is all about.
Yeah,
What are we doing?
the radius is pi over 2.
Yeah, why do you
Gross.
So is that true?
So this is pi times pi squared over 4 divided by 2, or times
What
1
are we
half.
doing?
Pi squared, the pi's don't cancel out.
No,
I'm not
I know.
So why doesn't that work?
Right here. So this is pi cubed over 8.
Divided by 2. What?
No, it's already divided by 2.
How do you think
Oh,
of
yeah.
math like this?
We're not having you
They had
looking
to
for
go
apps
bad
because we don't want anyone to come back. And
Oh, it's not a circle.
We don't want
It's not a
anyone
circle
coming back
because
and
this is
saying,
1, right?
I
And
think
this is
I-
pi over
I
2, so it's
disagree
not
with
quite
your
a circle.
statement and opinion.
That's not gonna work.
I have
We
just
can't
as
do
much
that.
score of apps as you do.
What, Comey?
It's not quite a
I
circle
agree, but I don't want people to come back and say there's bias.
because this distance right here
This is my agree upon.
is pi over 2, but this distance right here is 1.
Okay, but
This is a
explain
bad
to me why
threat.
it's
This
2
is
though.
Okay, go argue with Mrs.
Okay,
Watson.
so
Why is it not
And
1?
I just want to argue.
so we had negative. Whoop.
No,
We
I
had,
get the math part. I get that. But
What?
why is it actually 2?
why is it 2?
Jalen?
Yes.
Like, how can I?
These two will have canceled each other out, and then this has an area of 2.
I'm not gonna lie, I didn't hear anything you just said.
I'm pretty sure
Because
lowest
the
score I've
other
given
one's
is if I was
negative.
crazy.
Bias.
The one
Well, I
underneath.
get, and I know those cancel out, but I still don't understand why
It's
that's
still
not
biased, good or bad.
an area of
Like using a different formula, why that's
Yeah.
'Cause it's
that?
That is so mean.
4, or it's 2.
It's
that's
not a
2
circle.
pi.
I know, but we'd have to have like the area formula of an ellipse,
A different person to lower.
because this is like an ellipse, like half of an ellipse.
Yeah, we had that on the ACT.
It
Just do
doesn't
it.
matter.
You did? I don't know if I know what the area formula of an
Just throw it
ellipse.
out. I don't
They
care.
had, I can tell you the formula of an
I did
ellipse
it all, so.
Yeah, that's what I want.
is x squared over the distance in the x direction plus y squared over the distance in the y direction equals
Obviously you're fair.
No, I
1.
was just arguing
If
with you
this,
because I was
if
fine.
your top,
Okay.
if your top matches with his top, and your
So the
bottom
distance in the
matches
x
with
direction is pi over 2 squared, and the y direction is 1 squared.
or equally nice. If you're equally nice and he's equally
You don't
nice.
need to know this.
This is the formula for that ellipse. So you'd have to find that area of half of it.
What?
I don't know. I don't
We
know.
are.
I don't
No,
know.
you don't need it.
The area's 2.
No.
How is it?
We don't have a formula for ellipse though. For area of an ellipse.
Okay. Next one.
Yeah. Sorry. There's no quite way to check your answer on that one. Okay. Let's do
I won't put my
wrong.
opinion. I won't do the interviews.
I'll do the interviews. I'm gonna hate it.
No. No, whatever what I say, someone
Oh, wait.
argues with me.
I get it.
let's do okay. This one might be an easy one. This is gonna be an easy one.
It's an officer position because I'm doing this as fairly as possible. I'm not gonna do it. No matter what, someone's gonna come back and say there's
There you
bias here, there's bias here. They only got this because of this. There's gonna be complaints no matter what. So I don't know why we're even bothering.
Comey.
Yes.
I understand why Marcus was so stressed last year. Yeah. I was making fun of him. Now I feel bad.
This year's gonna be the worst. It'll get better after this year, I think.
Yeah.
There's too much competition and too many different aspects that
I think the freshmen are gonna murder each other before they can even interview.
that people could get mad at that is gonna cause next
Is
year.
this simple or am I dumb?
What am I?
Do
you agree, Eli?
Is this simple or am I
It'll get
dumb?
better after this year. There's too many aspects this year and things that people get mad at.
Oh, I need it. Okay, I need it. I don't need my question.
Conflict and plans. What is this?
I know, just
It looks funny, but it's very easy, right? As soon as you know what you're doing.
Is this too simple?
Yeah, this is too simple. What's the antiderivative of 2?
2x.
2x. Plug in 5, plug in 0. Really, you just have to plug in 5.
It's 2 times 5.
So 10 minus 2 times 0 is 0. So 10.
different.
Between Luke,
Yeah?
me,
I hate it.
Nice.
There's too many siblings or moms.
too many relations.
Too many relations. Like Aiden has a mom. Levy has a sister. Eli has a brother.
Well, Eli's also being graded because he doesn't.
Okay,
Yeah.
let's do this one.
I'm not having.
Libby,
Any
the only
other
thing Libby's
issues?
doing is sending out tests. And there's no way you can possibly, because you won't see the test until you send it out.
You have
So
the
you won't
test,
be.
Jalen? Yeah, so
Me and Kyle did the test. Kyle has no.
as long as Kyle doesn't share it with me.
We won't.
Kyle probably doesn't even know he has a test.
And the only thing Luke will do, what will Luke do? What can I put Luke in?
He can watch the little
How he's
kids.
acting right now, he can go sit in the corner.
Yeah, that was kind of not very nice.
Holy buckets. Okay, I know what I'm doing. prepared for this. Okay.
Oh, wait.
Okay, I need to do this. Okay, this needs to go. It's adding words.
Angela, are you in Chem 2?
Yes, ma'am.
How bad is it?
I recommend taking it if there's not many people taking it. If there's more than 6, don't take it.
Yeah.
Why do you say that?
Because
If
then
there's
more people, you're less likely to understand it. If there's less people, that means more time one-on-one. He's more lax with less people.
Okay, I'm kind of stuck and I
You
don't know
will,
where
like,
to go.
We had an assignment
Did I
that
do that wrong?
for a chapter that we did like a couple of weeks ago, and
What?
he said
Did I
that
do that
we
wrong?
didn't have to. That he didn't care if it was turned when we turned.
I
it, as
don't
long
know
as it
what
was
the right answer
turned
is.
in by the time we
Blah, 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 blah,
was-
blah,
Oh,
blah,
I didn't plug
blah,
anything
blah,
in.
blah, 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 blah,
Negative
blah.
1.
And you plugged into.
I don't know what 2 to 7th is.
I don't think many people are in
Whoa, it's not the 7th. It'd be the 5th.
So then I
Isn't that the anti-derivative?
Freaking
That looks right.
hate this. I give up.
What?
I don't know.
Guys, she
why.
still hasn't graded my speech. And it's Wednesday.
Is it 32 times 5 is 160? I think that's right. Reese.
I need to plug stuff
What,
in really
Reese?
fast.
Like that one's not due, I don't think, until Monday.
No, it was due last Monday.
I meant,
Oh, the
Second
next
times
one.
5 is 160.
It's due on Friday at 9. April 26th by 9 a.m.
60 minus.
I hate speech. Just gotta throw that out there.
At least you actually did it, so now you know what to do in college.
True.
I shouldn't have done it because I only need it.
2 to the 5th is 32.
Yep.
Times 5 is 160.
You're what?
Yeah.
I got 33. Oh, you're not done. Okay.
So this is plus though. And this is 32 over 160. So 31 over 160. You just dumped that negative on the front. There should be a negative 1
Oh, I
and positive
added them
32.
actually.
Yep, yep,
That's what I did.
yep,
I didn't
yep,
subtract.
yep.
Wait, but you need to add them, don't you?
yeah, but that one's
Oh, but then
negative.
I kept my negative on the bottom. So if I delete this, then it should be right.
33 over 160. Negative.
31.
Because I added them together because there's a negative, but then I forgot to drop the negative. At least I know what's going on this time.
Why is it 31?
Okay. It's getting better.
Oh, because
So
we're
I'm
minus.
going to talk to you about that.
Because we're
Okay.
subtracting.
Yes, Eli. Yep.
I should take this.
Okay,
Do you see my thing though? That if there's
The bell's gonna ring
someone gets
in about
an
3
offer
minutes.
position and they like go and they
We
want
didn't
to
do
see
a
the scoring,
VFT one.
oh,
they're
you
gonna
want a
be like,
VFT
well,
one?
this Luke and Libby scored this.
No.
Because I have a feeling that like.
Okay. Do you want an A of T?
Is going to get
I don't know the difference.
high off. Just not saying she will, but she has the potential to.
Okay, let's just do
I
a
don't know
V of
how
T
she
one.
can perform, but
V
just
of
right
T
now, she's
equals
better. So, like,
3T plus 1 and S of 2 equals 4. Find S of T.
And so that's why. That's and it's gonna be.
Honestly,
and
you
it's
might
gonna
just
be.
leave my binder
And
in
then
your
with
room.
Luke, all of the freshmen are very competitive and tight. So if his sister gets it over one of the other freshmen, then you know that there's gonna be
How many officers are there now?
11, and there's 10 positions.
I feel like no one's gonna get,
Yikes.
like,
We can't add another position.
yeah, no.
Like that's we
We're not,
already
we're not
added.
FBLA.
Like no, but we do have some added
I don't know
ones.
why we did that, but
Yeah.
whatever, that's fine.
But, like, I don't think anyone's gonna get mad at,
No
like,
way.
Macy or Luke. If, like, she,
Yeah,
It's just hard to know though.
it's but you.
like, if
you
she
have
gets,
to-
if she gets the best out of the freshman, I can maybe see someone getting mad, but if she gets, like, second.
You know what?
Yeah,
Just
but, like,
give
if
everybody
she
the
does get-
score they
those
actually.
freshmen are so competitive.
Just give everybody the
Yeah.
score they actually
Sure.
get.
Okay, are you ready for this
Don't
one?
get
That
over
is the
it.
most
No,
strong
get out.
one.
No, I'm not either.
And we have
Meh.
Why? Today is not the day to do it, Mr. Moore. Can we just stay in here and
I got
burn?
negative 10 for my C, so.
I mean, at least it's nice.
Okay, so you have to. I don't know how to
Number
write.
two,
do
my
this,
hips
but
were
To get S of T, you have to do the
plus
antiderivative of V of T?
minus 10.
Question mark? Oh, that's what I'm gonna do.
There you go.
It'd be. So wait.
adding, so do
Okay, call me, this
3
is mine.
over 2.
Answer. Sorry,
T.
I'm hitting that.
The 2 plus x, and then s of. I don't understand these, to be honest.
So you have v of t, and you need to find the antiderivative to get s of t. So, did you
So
find
right
it?
now I have s of t. So
What do you have?
s of t. I have.
Wait, what do you have on? You have 3 halves t squared plus t
3 halves t, 3 over 2 t squared
plus
plus
t.
I. Yeah, 1x, but that should be.
Oh, yeah.
t.
And then you have your plus c.
Oh,
and
plus
you
c.
Find your plus c using the coordinates that she gave you. So
Okay.
you have s of t, which means
So
that
s
t
of
would
t,
be
so
2.
that's y, right?
T would be 2, and 4 would be y.
4 is y. Okay. That's what I don't understand. Equals. Okay, I got it.
Did you get?
Oh, what? Tell me I did that wrong.
What's your C? Hey.
What you got?
I need to,
4, that'd
and
be
let me
12,
plug
this
this
would
in.
be 6, this would be 8. That'd be -4.
So that's
So I
6.
just make this a -4. Just kidding, I did that
I
wrong.
am so proud of myself because I would not
Cool
have
beans.
gotten that a couple days ago.
8, so minus 8 minus 8. 4 minus 8 equals, is it t negative, c negative 4? Yes, I'm so good at this.
Is that all the types of problems we're gonna have, Jennifer?
I think so.
I don't want to go to this class.
What time did he say more
Hey, at least she's not here today.
Doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. It actually is very helpful.
All right. Bye, Joes.